Something might take away my life access. There we go. So we are live. Oh, good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna do. Hold up, gotta put myself down so I don't hear myself. So we're gonna do some magic math this morning. And before I start, I'm going to write down a number, and I'm gonna ask you guys to choose a three-digit number. Give me one second. I'm closing out things so my computer doesn't slow down. Mm, one second. There we go. All right. So here we go. All right. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna go ahead and write down a number. And if you did your math correctly, this number will be revealed at the end. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys another trick. So remember, I still have this envelope with the number that you guys are going to have to create. So I want you to choose a three-digit number where the first and the last digits are different. Okay? So let me know when you guys have that. Choose a three-digit number where the first and the last digits are different. It could be 300, it could be 743. Just the last and the first digits cannot be the same. And once you have that number, I want you guys to reverse it. Subtract the smaller from the larger. Reverse that result and add 2. So I'm going to repeat it again for some of you guys coming in or that haven't been here. So I wrote down a number in here. I'm going to reveal this at the end of the trick, but I want you to choose a three-digit number where the first and last digit are different. And I'm counting out cards, so I'm going to show you guys another trick with these cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and this is going to be 1. So I'm going to be showing you guys a straightforward magic trick that never fails. Um, and if you're just joining, I asked chat to choose a three different number where the first and the last digits are different. I wrote down a number in here that I'm going to reveal at the end. After you chose that three-digit number, reverse it, subtract the smaller from the larger, reverse that result, and then add 2. Okay? and then that I will review. I will reveal at the end of the stream. But I'm going to show you guys this trick right here. So this is a trick. We're going to follow this blue card here. So this is the blue card. The rest of these are red. All right. So this trick is a mathematical trick, and I'll tell you the end in the beginning so that you guys know what's happening. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to make that blue card the 11th card. And you're probably saying, how am I going to do that without manipulating the deck? And it's the rules of math. See, what I did was I'm dealing out the cards into 3 rows of 7s. When that blue card reveals itself, I'm just going to go ahead and put that pile. And the ordering does matter, so you don't want to kind of mess them around. You kind of have to keep them in order, but you want to put that pile in the middle. Then we're going to do it one more time. I hope I'm not moving too fast for you guys. I'll do it a few more times if you need me to. And we're just tracking that card right there. So that's the last time. And then that card now should be the 11th card in the deck if we did this correctly. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this the 11th card? We just gotta flip around and see. There it is. And that's math magic. As you can see, all the rest of the cards were red. And that was the only blue card. If you guys enjoyed the trick and you have been following along, I did ask at the beginning of the live for everyone to choose a 3-digit number where the first and last digits are different. Reverse it. Subtract the smaller from the larger. Reverse that result. And then add 2. And that will be the number I'm going to reveal in a few minutes. I don't know if just write it down in the chat if you have your number. You'll probably see that everyone has the same number, but I'm going to do this trick again. We're going to, again, it's a simple trick. We're just going to put this blue card. So for you guys who saw the trick already, we have only one blue card, right? We're going to put it in there, and we're just going to track it. And the point of the magic trick is that I'm not doing anything. The trick is being done in the math. So I'm going to do it again. So we're going to place 3 cards out of 7s. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And there's that blue card right there. So we're going to take this pile right here. Going to put that in the middle. Put that in the middle right there. And then we're going to deal out the cards again. Two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, until they're all dealt out. And you see that blue card right there. Again, we don't want to mess with the ordering of the cards. I am revealing how it works. I'm not hiding anything, but it's still pretty impressive regardless. So that was the first deal. That was second deal. This is the last deal here. Okay, so that's it. It's right here. Take this. These don't matter so much, but I like to just keep them nice and neat. All right, so, and now I'm gonna go ahead, flip it up, and whoever was here before knows what the blue card is, but we're gonna just deal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this your blue card? Yes, it is. There you go. So that's the trick, guys. There's no sleight of hands, there's nothing on my sleeves. But that's it. And if you guys were in chat following along, if you have a 3-digit number where the first and last number is different, you reverse that, subtract the larger from the smaller, reverse that result, and add 2, and your answer will be da 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 da. Oh, we still have time. I'm gonna hold off. Maybe I should pick. Maybe I should put a number. Maybe I should pick a number. If you guys want to follow along, again, this is a trick that doesn't disappoint. It's the same way every time. So you're probably saying, hey, maybe you should take out this blue card and do it with a regular card. And yeah, I can. I'm going to take out this blue card now. I'm just put in this red card. And we're going to, how are we going to do this? We're gonna choose a card here. You're probably saying, okay, you know what? That's a bad card because that card has markings on the back of it. You guys see the markings? Yeah, this card has markings. Let me go ahead and put in a fresh card. There we go. So let's look at all the cards. Make sure this one got a little dent thing going with it. So let's get that out the way. Just going through all the cards so that there's nothing that I could identify between these cards. Okay. So, alright, so here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to do it one more time. This time I'm going to show you guys the card we're going to follow. So this is the 4 diamonds. Hold on. Waiting for the camera to focus. So this is the 4 diamonds. We're going to track that in the deck. And to make it even spicy, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to make it the only card that's face down in the deck. Here, so again, because we're tracking it, so we're looking for the 4 diamonds now. Now it's the only card that is officially face down. There it is. Again, I am revealing the trick, but also showing that it's not a trick, it's just the math. So make sure that's nice and neat. Make sure that's nice and neat. These don't really matter, but I'm going to put this in the middle. I'm going to deal them out again. 2, 3. So we're just going to do it 3 times, 3 piles, and the card will be the 11th. So here it is right here. Gonna keep that nice and neat. Gonna put this on the bottom here. Put this one on the top. Then we're gonna do it again. Last time. Hope you guys enjoying. See, I probably should add some music, right? Some Harry Potter theme music, maybe. I do have the emblem there. I'm Slytherin, by the way, so that's what I am. All right, so there's the that face down card. And did I do that right? I think I did that right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flip it around, and then we're just gonna count to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the important because once I remove 10, it should show us a 4 of diamonds. There you go. Your 4 diamonds. The 11th card in the deck. So yep, that's how that trick works. If you've been following along, I did ask you guys earlier to choose a 3-digit number where the first and last digits are different. Reverse it. Subtract the smaller from the larger. Reverse that, and then add 2 numbers. So I'm going to first find some royalty-free music right now, so that you guys can at least have some music. Yeah, I think it should be okay. All right. All right. Kind of go hard. Anyway, let me know if the music is too loud. I'm gonna go this check the music. I am watching chat and I don't see. Alert box should also be in play. One second, guys. Testing. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Yeah, my mic was way too loud. Yeah, my mic was way too loud. I've been shouting in you guys' ears this entire time. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Testing. Testing, testing. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. I don't hear the music so well though. Okay. I'm gonna try to put a filter on there so maybe that would not noise. Okay, so the live should be more bearable. I'm not too loud. You guys should hear me loud and clear. Alright, so music sounds good. Everything sounds good. Sorry about I'm just testing everything out. Hopefully that's fine. Um Thank you guys for coming in. I'm doing magic with math. Not sounding cool, but I make it cool in my own way. But check this out. So I also was asking everyone earlier who was here for the horrible mic audio to write a three-digit number. Um, I'm gonna just reveal this trick to you as well. So I wrote down a number. I asked Chat to give me write down a three-digit number where the first and last digits are not the same. Um, Reverse it, subtract the bigger number from the smaller number from the larger number, reverse that, add 2, and your answer will be 1089. So that will be your answer. Anyway, so let me show you this trick right here with the cards. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 cards. Now I'm gonna take one of these cards out. I'm not gonna take that one out. That's a good card. I'm gonna take this card out, and I'm going to put in a blue card. Now, so I can properly perform the trick for you guys, I'm gonna use this blue card as your card. Now, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. I'm gonna do everything in front of you guys. So the trick right, that blue card will be the 11th card in the deck. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this the blue card? Let's flip it and see. Yep, that's the blue card. And as you can see, the rest are red. So yeah, that's how that trick works. I have another one actually I wanted to show you guys as well. Basically, a trick within of a trick. So, 1 second. So that's one way to track cards and to move them from one place to another within a deck, just by using math. So we're going to do it one more time so you guys can see. So again, you guys chose the blue card. We're just going to put it in a random place. Then we're going to put these together. And my job is to make that blue card the 11th card of the deck. I'm just lighting isn't it great, so sorry about that, but I'll try to do my best. So we're just going to deal these up. There goes that blue card pile. So it looked like it ended on the left pile today. And you can't control what pile it ends up on. That's something that's randomized. But what we can do is have it end up at the 11th spot. So 2, 3. And you want to make sure they don't leave the order that you're dealing them in. So it looks like it ended up in this pile. Go ahead and take that pile. Then we're going to do it one more time. And we don't know what pile it's going to end up in. We're just going to make it the 11th card at the end of this trick. So ended up in this pile, so we're going to just put that pile right there. And now here's the magic. So I'm going to flip over the cards, and I'm going to get rid of 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this the blue card, you think? It is. There it is. And that's the trick. You guys probably saying, I knew what the blue card was. You know what? You're right. I probably knew the blue card was the 5 of spades. So I'm going to go ahead and do you a better thing. So these are all the blue cards. You can see all these blue cards are different. And instead of this blue card, I'm going to put this away. And I'm going to just pick a random blue card. And I won't even know what that blue card is until the end of the trick. So there's your card. Again, remember we only need 21 cards. So I'm going to put these back. And I am explaining the trick as I'm doing it. So you guys can, if you want to know how it's done, just follow along. So I'm going to put, it doesn't matter, well, let me make sure I have 21 cards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like that's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 and 10. And that makes it 21. So we're going to just put this blue card. We don't know what it is in the middle. We are going to track it. So I'm going to just deal up the cards. Now, if you've been here the entire time, you would know that I don't know what that blue card is, but I am this is a call and response kind of a trick. So last time, ooh, my camera is kind of, there we go. Last time, here we go. It's right here, and now the magic happens. So we're gonna flip over these cards. Now again, I don't know what that blue card was. I don't know. All I'm gonna do is count out 10 cards and flip the 11th card over. Hopefully it's a blue card. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now was the blue card the 10 of diamonds? Let's see. It absolutely was. And that's how the trick works. Your card was the 10 of diamonds. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be here all day. You see what else here. We also have. Let's see. We could do another one. So we'll take. Go ahead. You guys choose a card. Choose a card. Any card. Come on. I'm waiting on you. Choose your card, guys. Oh. Can't even hear the music. Make sure the music is good. Huh? Okay, I'll choose a card for you. Remember, I can't see that card. I don't know what that card is. We're gonna put it along with this deck of red cards. Because how the trick works, again, I'm explaining as I'm doing it. It doesn't matter how many times we shuffle, I'm going to put it in. I would have to ask you if you see your card and what pile it's in. So I'm even going to shuffle the deck. And we're going to go ahead and deal out the cards. And there's that blue card. But it doesn't matter. We're going to go ahead and deal these out. There it is. I don't know what it is. I'm just going to make it the 11th card in the deck. There it is right there. So if you want to impress your friends, this is a trick that you can show them. And last time. There we go. Alright. Alright, so we're going to flip this over. We're going to see what happens now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was your card the King of Hearts? It was. There you go. part of the trick is for you guys to tell me which row or pile the card is in. So if you're doing this with your friends, you'll ask them, "Hey, where's your card?" And they'll be like, "Oh, your card is here." Since you guys aren't able to speak immediately, I use a blue card. So thank you for showing me where your card is. I'm gonna go ahead and put these together. I'm gonna do it 2 more times. And then you would ask, which deck is your card in? And I see it's in here, so go ahead and put this together. I want to mix these up by accident. That would mess up the trick exponentially. That. And this is just a basic trick, beginner friendly. You can't mess it up, because as long as you do the trick properly, you know, it's always gonna be there. It's gonna always be that card right there. But Jesse, you're just gonna stop when you see the blue card. I see you guys thought of that. I've done this trick at least 3 times, 4 times on stream. You guys weren't here the entire time. That's okay. You'll see what we do. So this is the last row. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. You're like, whoa. You gonna flip it over? Yep, I'm gonna flip it over. So I'm gonna get rid of 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your card is the 3 of hearts. How do I know? Because it's the only blue card in the deck. There you go. And that's how that trick works. I'm gonna be showing it over and over again. So I might, you know what? I might take off the camera. Let's take off the camera. Maybe my camera. There we go. That makes things a lot more cleaner. So your card of the day for everybody who saw the trick is the 3 of hearts. I'm gonna go ahead and I have more blue cards. We're gonna put this one away. And you guys are gonna choose a new blue card. And I guess your blue card is gonna be this one here. Looks like this one might be your card, guys. This might be your card right here. So we're gonna go ahead, put it somewhere in this deck, and we're gonna shuffle. I have to figure out how to get that middle part decent color, because right here seems to be it. Sorry guys, if it seems dark, I'm just trying to get the color to show, and it seems like it's pretty good in the dark. I don't know, it's like when I see it, you can't even see the color. So, and I hope this is okay for you guys. Hope it's not too dark. But so we're gonna go ahead and shuffle the cards. We're gonna remember there is a blue card in there, and that is your card. Part of the trick requires for me to know which pile the card is in. So I'm using a blue card that you chose. I don't know what the card is, as you saw, but I will know what pile it's in. So it looks like it's in this pile. You'll tell me it's right here. I'm gonna go and take that. And part of the trick, and here's the revealing part. You have to put this, the one that has it, in the middle each time. And as long as you do that and you do the trick correctly, did the trick right, it'll be the 11th card. Your card of the day will be the 11th card. So let's get rid of the first top 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your card of the day is the Two of Hearts. You want to check? There you go. Only blue card in the deck. So your card of the day is the Two of Hearts. We're gonna get a new card in here. Anyone new who's joining, you want to see this trick performed again. I'm going to be performing it for about 25 more minutes. So this is going to be your new card of the day. I'll choose one. And it's very important. 10 on here, 10 on here, 1 here. 21 cards. Has to be 20. The magic numbers here are 21, 7, 3, and 11. Alright, so choose your card. Let me see. Right there. I think that's a good card for you guys. So we're going to take away this Two of Hearts. Put this one face down. And then we have 10 cards here, 10 cards here. We're not going to put it in the middle. We're going to shuffle it in the deck. So, and you know what? I'm going to shuffle it until somebody says, let me see something actually. I want to check if my alert box is working. I'm sorry. I am watching TikTok chat. So if you guys want to say hey, hello, Twitch and everything else should come up on stream, on the stream, I thought, but I'm gonna test it now. Yes. Okay. So if you guys want to check, you guys see where that's from. Gonna go back to this trick. 20 cards, one in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Doesn't matter where it is. We're gonna shuffle. I'm gonna shuffle until somebody says stop. We'll be here all day. I'm gonna shuffle until somebody says stop. If you're looking for a card of the day, I see you, 603 Smart. You want to tell me stop so we can see the trick and the magic of math. I can tell you the magic numbers too. Magic numbers are 21, 3, 7. Oh, there it went. And 11. All you have to do is tell me stop. We can start with the trick. Somebody. see how this trick works. Okay. Guess we gotta be here all day shuffling. Maybe I should have put Harry Potter in here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just go on with the trick. If someone comes in, they come in, but here we go. And I would go, where is your card? And you would say, right there. Well, no, not, you would say which pile. Say, this pile. And then I would take that pile, right? Make sure they're nice and neat. And I'll put that pile in the middle. And then I would do it again. you guys enjoying the stream. If not, at least enjoy the recording. Thank you for the likes and support. Check out the links in my link tree to support this tech. Until next time.